Fit it up, hop in my car and get it up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
What's up everyone, Diego in the house with the second video of this YouTube channel, and I know the first video is just presenting myself and who I am and what I do. This second video here I'm about to talk to you what we're looking on for this week. I know you're already looking at my charts on GBPUSD, but first, before I start with anything, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say here is what I do it to myself, and it's up to you if you want to take that information and use it on your own, but it's also your own risk. Make sure you go down below in my description and go to my free Telegram group where I send trades like this and analysis like this every day there. But I also have a paid Telegram group if you want to be a part of, but make sure you go to my free one so you know what I'm doing. Smash that like button, subscribe, and literally go to that bell notification. That's so you know when I'm putting a new video up, and so that you can learn more about forex like this for free on YouTube at the comfort of your house without having to pay a single cent. Because I prefer sending you free things so that you learn from my free stuff instead of other paid guys with $1,000, $2,000 and you don't learn anything. So if you smash the like button, if you clicked on the notifications button, if you shared to your friends, and if you followed me on Instagram and on TikTok also, and you are my free Telegram group, then let's get started and let's go to this charts. Let's go. So welcome back everyone. So we're literally looking at the first pair of today or of the week that I'm looking for, and that pair is no other than GBPUSD. Yep, it's a pair that everyone's looking at, but it's something that was kind of interesting because the past week I was looking at this pair, and I literally saw that it was on this range here from, let's say, about 138.414 and down here at 136.715, 719, and then he hit it here, came back up, hit it back. You see, if you saw here, trying to break above, retested, went up, broke down again, came all the way here, and now it's going up again. Okay, if we look on the H4, we can see that it was on an upwards momentum. Okay, it was on it. If I do a quick line here for you from down here, see, around here, you see that it broke the trend line, retested, and now starting to make its downtrend. So if I go to my 1 hour chart again, what do I believe is going to happen, you know? I believe that since it's testing here again, which was a huge thing in the past, if I do my ellipses, if you watch here, there's one, here, there's two, it tested twice this side. Actually, looking here with you guys, what's more, has been a third one here. Third one. So it's coming back for another one, so I feel like he might test it again and drop down. But first, for that to happen, I'm going to wait for a bit of rejection first once the market is open. And if that happens, I'm going to come all the way down here. Okay, if market's starting to have this rejection, I'm going to get on a sell, stop loss just above here, just above this high here, because we also don't want to get too risky, and then take profit down there. So it's going to be roughly a 1-to-3 ratio, good enough. But also we're going to have this trade coming all the way down here, hitting an 81 pips, take profit is just a 24 stop loss, which is kind of good. But then if markets hits our stop loss, I'm going to be waiting for it to have a little support here, and then if it goes up, I might take a trade with my take profit there, but that's out of my league right now. I'm not looking for a buy on GBPUSD for this current moment. Okay, I might be looking to sell this all the way here, but for now, this is my setup. This is what I'm looking at. Let's go to the second pair. Alright, we arrive here at EURUSD. EURUSD has been coming down a huge downtrend. If you look at it, this is a huge downtrend it's been coming for. This is on the H1. If I go on the H4, ever since here, it hit this high, has been coming down ever since. And this is a pretty long downtrend. However, everyone, as soon as he hit this bottom here, it started going up, reversing the market because he broke the trend line, retested down here, as you guys can see here. Let me put it here for you guys. Right there, retested here, and then started making its move up and has been in this range because it moved up, stayed in this range, broke it, stayed in this range, now it's up again. However, you're gonna say, yeah, Diego, but then it's gonna keep going up. Maybe. Let me tell you why I'm saying it's maybe. Because if you look at this one here that I just drew before starting this video, it's literally a resistance zone. And you're gonna say, yeah, Diego, but it only tested twice, right? You've seen he's made a double top. Correct? He made a double top. However, watch this. If you pull it all the way back, he has made some previous rejections here too. Here and here. He made 4 rejections on this level. So really, what I'm thinking is, maybe the market doesn't want to go any higher than this. Maybe the market want to keep rejection, keep going down. Maybe this huge uptrend might have been just a retest from its current downtrend. You know, if you see it, market came here, came all the way up, now is rejection, the same one that rejected before on the trend line, and then it might keep going down. So what is my move? What is my plan? I'm gonna wait, okay, to see what market's gonna do. If you break this high, and if you break this high and uses this as support, I'm gonna take on a buy all the way to this previous low here. You see, which has rejections here as support and resistance in the past. I'm gonna go here, but my current opinion on this is I will take a sell. And you know where I will take a sell to? Yep, you guessed it. I will take a sell, a short position. Oh, my bad. All the way down here. And you're gonna say, why, Diego? Why all the way down there? Because, guys, because this is a major support resistance, because that's where the market reversed. And you're gonna say, yeah, but you're gonna hold this trade for that long? No. Actually, I'm gonna do this. As soon as market hits here, okay, this line, which is my support here, I'm gonna put my stop loss on break even, and then I'm gonna go and trade a stop it all the way down here, okay? So this is my first level, okay? Let's put this as the first level of this trade, okay? Then after market probably breaks this and probably gonna retest it for a while, I'm gonna go and have this here as my second level, okay? What does that mean? If it comes to my second level, my stop loss is gonna be around here, okay? Already above my first level, which is quite a good amount of pips, okay? It's quite a good amount of pips all the way down here. If I show it to you guys, so it's gonna be first 50 pips, second level is gonna be 114 pips, and then the third level, which is down here, is gonna be 242 pips. And then as soon as it comes to the second level, stop loss above the first level, market probably gonna retest. Yeah, might come up and hit my stop loss, I don't know, but if it does, I'm already 50 pips up. But then if it continues going down, as soon as it comes below this level, I'm gonna put my stop loss right here, okay? Let me make this red so you guys can see it. Right here. No, this is not red, this is red. Down here. And you're gonna say, why, Diego? Because here is where market was kind of ranging as well, because if you look, was literally the middle of this big range here between these two yellow boxes. So if markets continue going down, my stop loss is gonna be here, okay? That's gonna be around 89.2 pips, almost 90 pips. So this is my setup for EURUSD. This is what I'm looking at. This is only gonna be looking at for this week. So hopefully it sets up and hopefully we win on this one. By the way, guys, a quick announcement. All of these trades are literally gonna go to my free Telegram group this week. I'm literally doing a free trade going on this whole week. Until the end of this month, all my trades are gonna go to my free Telegram. So if you wanna check it out, if you wanna see what I do, go to the link in the description, join the Telegram group, and let's win. So, we're also looking for EURAUD, okay? What's going on with EURAUD? EURAUD is a market that's been going literally down for a while now, okay? This huge downtrend going on. However, it has picked up its pace. And now it's on an uptrend, because I feel like the market has reversed, in my opinion, okay? A lot of traders are gonna say it didn't reverse, but if I do it like this, watch this. Perfect trend line. Here, 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 here. All the tops have been touching the trend line until it came to here. This is an H4. It broke out a trend line, came back to retest it, and now it keeps going up, using this zone here as support. Use it as support, and now it keeps going up. However, I must say that this market is not a funny market to play around, especially when EURUSD, EURAUD, my bad, is strong. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna wait for market to break this zone here, which is a resistance zone, which was used as support before. If you look at it, was actually used as support here. Let me see, support here, and it came almost to the support zone again, but it used as resistance here. Let me put it here, resistance on here, and yeah, a few ones before which almost touch it. If I bring it down a little bit, but I don't know, and I'll make it too big as well, otherwise it's no point of support and resistance zone if you make it too big. Okay, so what is my prediction actually? I'm gonna wait to see when market open, if it rejects a little bit, and if it does reject, then I'm gonna do the same thing as I did with EURUSD. I'm gonna sell it. Okay, I'm gonna do a short position, same again, stop loss just above the high, take profit all the way at the lows. Okay, because he made a double bottom here before. Watch, sorry, let me make it smaller. I thought it was going to be better. There. Okay, made a double bottom here. Okay, we have a double bottom setup, and then if the market rejects a little bit more, then I'm gonna sell it, and then same thing as EURUSD, first level, second level, third level. Okay, same thing, same process, same everything. Everything is gonna be shared on my free Telegram. However, if he breaks up of this resistance zone, then I'm gonna take a trade all the way up here. Okay, I'm gonna take a trade, which is a buy trade, all the way to the top of this previous high, and then if it breaks this high, and then we're gonna obviously buy for per levels. Okay, we're gonna go this level, and then this level, and then this previous high, then targeting that high and that high, and then we're gonna keep going up. Okay, because these are levels of resistance zone that actually came and the market went down from it. So this is why I'm saying we're gonna buy on them. However, at the moment, I literally am deleting all of these, and all that matters to me right now is if markets break this resistance zone and use it as support, I might buy it to here. But if it keeps rejection, I'm gonna sell it all the way to this bottom and then see what happens afterwards. This is all I'm doing for EURUD. Now we're gonna go into USDJPY. And if you literally ask me what's going on with USDJPY, I'm gonna tell you what's going on. Market has this huge shot up from down here. Watch this. Market has been in this huge shot up since what? Let's say since March 20th. Has been on the verge of going up. Tried to break a little bit, but then it kept going up, and now this is the support zone. Used the support zone before, trying to break it. If I zoom in a little bit, actually trying to break it a few times, but was unsuccessful, and shot up, came back down, and it's now using this as support zone again. And if you look at my trend line, it kind of matches, you know, because if you see, market actually took a little bit of supports here on this trend line at this exact points. Okay, and I don't take this as coincidence, but I feel like market's gonna keep shooting up as dollar gets stronger. And in my opinion, I'm just gonna wait for markets to retest this a little bit more, okay, as soon as it opens. And in my opinion, my only trade for this is a long position, which is a buy, targeting this ultimate high, which is 215 up. However, my stop loss is just gonna be just below these levels here, rejection, because in case the market comes down to this rejection rectangle here that I made, it's gonna shoot up and not just stop me out. Okay, so it's gonna be a 1 to 5, which is a good trade, and let's just wait and see when the market opens. But now we're gonna go to SHAW USD, which is gold, one of the most amazing pairs, however the most volatile one too, after crypto. Actually before crypto, because crypto is very volatile. But so if you look at this, market has been coming down. Okay, market has been coming down gold hard ever since up here, down hard. However, it has made a highs, has been making new highs, you know. Market has broken off this trend line, literally made a bottom here, which is using the trend line as support, and start going up. I did try to take a trade here, got out. If I actually stayed on this trade, would have pinned me out. But that was back then, it was on the 1st of April. See, April Fools, it took me out, April Fools. And then it kept going up. It was literally a good trade, but stop loss maybe too tight or wrong time that I entered. But you see, April 1st, April Fools took me out. Now came back, made the support resistance, like, now it's time to buy. I bought it again. Well, wasn't April 1st, but April 12th, but still made me like look like a fool. Hit my stop loss, and then it went all the way up again. 2 trades, would have done perfectly, but it's fine. Now, he uses this channel as resistance. However, he breaks above and uses as support. He's using it twice before the market closed, but used it once here. Okay, and if you look, I literally made this all the way back for you to see that before tested for support, it tested for support here too, and a resistance here too, and a resistance here too. So before tested for support anywhere, it tested for support here, and it worked, it went up, but also it tested for resistance here, it went down, and just below it. If I put this closer, just below it, down, shut down. And previously as well, here, you see, here, as support, shut up. So that's my prediction. Market is gonna use this as support again, and it's gonna shoot up. However, my first level is gonna be here. So let me label this my first level. And that's what I'm aiming as soon as the market opens. Buy gold with the top up there. So that's gonna be a long position on gold, sorry, long position on gold, right there, all the way up. Stop loss just here, under the zone. Our market is gonna make its way up with a good amount of profit there, which hopefully works, okay? So I just wanna thank everyone for being here. Let me put this light up. Light's literally white now because I'm talking to you guys. So thank you everyone for watching my video. Make sure you hit the like button and share with your friends, so if they want to learn forex, they come to me. But also, if you don't want to see this analysis, they already trade and maybe they haven't seen what's going on in the market, they can see it from my video. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the like button, you share, and you keep your eyes open for my next videos, which is coming this week. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a blessed day. Have a good week. Trade wisely. Let's go.
Cash money like 504, ball like AD24. No